Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find Doris today in Heartopia. So today is the 31st of January. There is a rainbow event. Doris is right about here near the road and near these like fox statues, and you'll find Doris here. You are able to purchase items here like ingredients, emotes, postcards, and sometimes recipes if you've unlocked it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Again, Doris is right here in the flower field. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!